Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kaushik Mahapatra.
Leadership begins at home, my dear friends. Leadership begins at home. We always feel leadership is all about professionalism and stuff like that. But leadership begins at home. Your children are watching you. If you're more inclined towards money, they become more inclined towards money. If you're more inclined towards love, they become more inclined towards love. If you're more inclined towards spirituality, they become more inclined towards spirituality. They see you when you take calls, when you talk to people, when a spouse you interact with your friend, right? They keep watching you, and that's how they learn. And to me, leadership begins at home. How many of you feel that we humans are like books?
Yes.
And everyone can read us and can learn from us. Unfortunately, fortunately, we don't notice people around you. Yes or no? And to me, following is the first step towards leadership. Give me a thumbs up. Say, I want to be a follower. I want to be a die-hard follower. And I will decide when to lead and when to follow. As simple as that is. Why the Himalayan way? Everyone is asking me, why Himalayan way? To me, Himalayas are the point where the East meets West. I'm going to agree. And we all, some of you are a big fan of Western world. Some of you are a big fan of the Eastern world. I really don't know. In fact, we really don't know where does East starts and where does West end. Yes or no? We don't even know, my dear friend. Somebody made this East and West. The biggest thing, the biggest learning from Steve Jobs was this. He said, when I looked at all the Indians have something which in my country, it's not readily available. Can you guess what was that? Can you guess what was that?
Talent.
He said that in our country, there is a lot of intellect. But in India, there is a lot of intuition. Can you all clap for the person who said intuition? Intuition, my dear friends. It's intuition. We all are born with intuitions. Our mind is actually constantly guiding us and telling you a lot of things. And that's why we take a lot of decisions. We are everywhere. Right? We are good in everything almost. Keeping that in mind, I also realized from the monks that when we talk about progress, right? When we talk about progress, and in life, as leaders, we call it the strength wheel. How many know the strength wheel? How many know what is the strength wheel? Right? Exactly the strength wheel, right? So if you look at this strength wheel, right? There are these 10 dimensions. There are these 10 dimensions, which is very important for you. Now, if you look at all these 10 dimensions, you will see that some of these dimensions you are not doing well. And some of these dimensions you are doing well. The dimensions are very simple, guys. The first one is personal growth and learning. The second one is spirituality, money and finance, career and work, health and fitness, fun and recreation, environment, community, and family and friends. Everyone keep doing it, and jump it a little, jump with me, sing with me. Hey, everyone say, come on, I'm going to do it, come on. Everyone say, come on, India. Everyone say, come on, India. Let's do it. Let's do it together. And no one can stop me. And no one can stop me. And no one can stop me. Not even you. Not even me. You can open your eyes, guys. You can open your eyes and give a high five to the person next to you. Meet a lot of people and say, everyone. Meet a lot of people and say, all the best. Meet a lot of people and say, all the best. Everyone say, meet a lot of people and say, all the best. All the best. Mahapatra is